again in the truck looking for bucks. Headed to a new area tonight. I never glassed this area. I've hunted it before. What I wanted to do is just kind of circle it, check the fields, see if anything looks good. I don't have any cameras in here. I haven't scouted in here, but just does seem like a good spot where some bucks can grow old and get big. So I do have a buddy that hunts a lot of this land, so if I do get on something, I'll definitely let him know. We'll see how the night pans out. Every week is a little bit different. It seems like the patterns are already changing. I've noticed that some of my pictures, the bucks are starting to already change their coats. That's getting me really excited. Hopefully it's getting you guys excited as well. Hopefully you're shooting. Hopefully you guys are out doing what you need to do to be successful this fall. And with that said, let's go find some bucks in the truck. So this drive has been super exciting. Lots of bucks, lots of big ones, some unique bucks. That tall 7, that was a really cool buck. I watched him for a really long time. But a lot of these bucks I'm seeing, these are all on the private, and they're pretty far off from the public. It's nice to see them anyway. Gets your heart pumping. But at least you know what kind of quality of deer is in the area. So you can get to the public. Gives you a start as far as finding some good ones. I think that's what I'm going to take away from it, is that, you know, this is a pretty decent area. It's got good quality of bucks and pretty big ones. So, and then after that, you know, you got to start scouting, you know, put in some hunts, put in some trail cameras. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the footage, and I'll see you on the next one.